Hi, this is Jason with Surety DIY, and in this video we're going to go over the process of creating an outdoor gate sensor. The goal of this project is to be able to receive real-time alerts whenever your outdoor gate is opened. Now the parts we need for this project are fairly simple other than sensors, but what we're going to need is an outdoor junction box, something weatherproof. You can find this at the hardware store.
An RE101 GE compatible sensor,
a roll of double-stick tape, and a wired contact and associated magnet. For the wired contact, I'd recommend using a Central 1085W. Now the reason is that the magnet's gap distance is 1.5 inches with this particular model number. To get started putting this together, you're going to want to drill a small hole in one of the 4 faces. Now this is going to be the bottom of your box when you mount it on the gate. After you drill the hole, take off the lid. Be sure to keep track of the screws.
Now on your RE101,
take off the cover and find the terminals marked A, ground, and B. This is where you're going to be connecting your wired contact. Pull the wires for the wired contact through the hole you created in the box. Pull them into the sensor and push the leads into the terminals. You'll want to put the leads into terminals A and ground. Make sure to tighten them down with a precision screwdriver nice and tight. Give them a little tug at the end to make sure they're not coming out. Push the excess wire back through the back of the sensor. Apply some double-sided tape to the back of the sensor and press that down firmly inside the box. And be sure to pull out the plastic battery tab. Place the cover back on the sensor itself. Make sure it snaps in there and replace the cover of the box. Be sure to tighten down the cover really well. You want to make sure that the seal is weatherproof. And now you have a wireless sensor made from a weather-resistant wired contact. And now we need to program your sensor into your Qolsys panel. Press the settings button, type in your installer code, and then hit the installation button. Choose security sensors, and then auto learn sensor. Now all you need to do is tamper the sensor. An easy way to do that is just removing the cover. You're going to want to rename the sensor. I'm going to name it exterior gate. Then you're going to want to change the sensor group to the non-reporting type. And for your Qolsys panel, that's going to be sensor group 25, local safety sensor. Hit add new, and your sensor is saved into your panel. And now you'll have a functionally wireless gate sensor that you can install outdoors on the gate itself to know exactly when it opens and closes. And finally, to set up the notification, you're going to want to log into your alarm.com account, go to the Sensors tab, find your new sensor located in the list, and turn on activity monitoring for it. Click Save, and it'll let you know at the top that the changes have been made. Now you'll have to log out of your alarm.com account and log back in. This will immediately force all the new information about the sensor to go through. Once you've done so, you'll notice that your new sensor is showing up under the status box. Go to the Notifications tab and click New Notification. Choose Sensor Activity out of the pop-up box. Select the sensor you've just added and name the notification. Choose the time frame in which you want this notification to be active, and select a recipient from your address book. Click Save Notification. And that's all there is to it. You can find more product and project videos on our website at suretydiy.com. Thanks for watching.